Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll start our new chapter, chapter number 2, getting started with Python. So, in this chapter, some outlines are about the introduction of Python, Python pulses, Python some analysis also there, how to work with Python, and understanding the first script of Python, first script or program of Python, how to write a program. The introduction part will be discussed in this chapter, number 2. So come to the introduction part. Here, a new programming language namely Python, which promises to make you a big programming fan. Big programming fan means it is very easy to use, and all the libraries, all the functions, all the dictionaries which is given here, it is all the functions are inbuilt here. Only where you have to use, only you have to learn and understand that, and then your program will be very easy for you. How to write a program is very easy for you. Then Python programming language was developed by Guido van Rossum in, 1991 February. Python is based on or influenced with two programming language. Two programming language means one is for basic language, ABC language, a teaching language created as a replacement of basic and module 3. Python is an easy to learn yet powerful object oriented programming language. It is very high level programming language yet as a powerful as many other middle level language, not so high level language such as C, C++, Java. These are all the high level language. Including this, our Python is also a high level language. So in this chapter we shall introduce uh, you to playful word of piquant Python. Piquant means what? Pleasantly simultaneous or exciting to the mind. So we are ready here to go for this Python. So here Python pulses. Though Python languages came into being in early 1990s, yet it is competing with ever popular languages such as C, C++, Java, etc. in popularity index. So when we are in 1990, we are learning C, C++, Java and other the popularity programming languages. In that we introduced the Python also. And here some pulses of Python is, first one is easy to use. Python is compact and easy to use object oriented language with very simple syntax rule. So how to write a program is very simple here, and only all the programs, all the functions are inbuilt here. Only you have to call the objects on that particular line, then you will be getting the uh, output of that particular program. Then expressive language. Expressive language means Python is an expressive language. Fewer lines of code and simpler syntax as compared to other popular programming language like C++, Java and etc. Here it is given there. It is having a very few line of code, and then a few line of code, and as compared to another programming language C, C++, in this Python we are having only a few line of code to see the output as compared to C or C++ and other Java and other programming languages. An interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled language. So last class we had discussed about interpreted and compiled language. Interpreted means interpreter check the program line wise, and if any line, if error occur, then it asks the user to rectify that particular error, and then and then move to the next line. And in compiler compiled all the line together, and at the last it will show the error line wise, and if any error is there, the user have to rectify that particular error and then execute the program. Then its completeness. For most type of for most type of required functionality is available through various modules of Python standard library. Thus it is also called Python follows batteries included philosophy. So here different standard libraries are there. If you are installing the Python, we discuss in we discuss later. But if you are installing a Python, through that Anaconda Python distribution loads with the different libraries and packages with the Python. This libraries which is discussed here. And then cross platform language. Python can run equally well on variety of platforms: Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh, supercomputer, smartphone, etc. These are the different uh, platforms that Windows Windows program will be execute. Then free and open source. Python language is freely available along with its source code. Along with its source code means is that program code is there. So how the program Python editor will program there. This will show in this source code. So it is a free and open source code. Then variety of uses applications or applications. Python has evolved in a powerful, complete and useful language over these years. These days Python is being used in many diverse fields and applications. So nowadays this Python become a very powerful and complete programming language, and nowadays we all are using this Python programming languages. Then Python, some menaces means so human like. How? Although Python is very powerful, yet language with so many advantages, it is not the perfect programming language. How? Let us see. Not the fastest language. So Python offers faster development times, but execution times are not that fast compared to some compiled languages. So here the interpreter is slow compiling, slow show the execution part, and compiler will show the fastest execution part. So here, as compared to other programming language or as compared to compiled language, the Python is having a interpreter, so little execution time is not so far. Then lesser libraries than C and C Java. So Python is also having different inbuilt libraries. Java is having also libraries. C also having libraries. Perl is also, but here in Python, here Python is not having it's not having almost the means not having means as compared to C++ libraries with its. Then not strong on type binding means Python interpreter is not very strong to catch type mistake issues. So if you are having any typing mistakes, so that the Python will not rectify, Python will not catch your this type of Python interpreter will not catch this type of mistakes. They are not easily convertible. Because of its lack of syntax, Python is an easy language to program in but difficult to translate in other programming language. So this is not most other language have structured defined syntax. So in the Python, it is a lack of syntax. Lack of syntax means it is very easy to write the code. In the Python, it is very easy to write the code, and some other programs are having a structure defined syntax. So with the help of this, it is very easy language but difficult to translate in another language. Suppose the Python program, if you want to translate to another programming language, C++, Java, so it is difficult for you to translate it now. So now you are familiar with what all Python offers as free and open source languages. It is open source languages. Its users are growing by leap and bounds. As per January 2020 popularity index, Python was second most popular programming languages after JavaScript. So JavaScript means it is scripting language. So first of all, we are having our ASP as Java's language, and then JavaScript also we are having. That is reason it is a part of syllabus. Together we will make it playful Python. So 2020, the popularity of Python was second most programming languages nowadays, because it is very easy to write and very less time to get for the programming writing. That's why nowadays it is more popular as compared to another programming languages. Then here, working with Python. Before you start working in Python, you need to install Python on your computers. There are multiple Python distributions available today. So first of all, if you want to work with Python, so first of all you have to install a Python editor, Python program. So in your computer, and in there are multiple Python distributions are there. So some are default installation are available in www.python.org. is called CPython installation and comes with Python interpreter, Python IDLE and PIP. Means here if you are installing the Python with this, first go to this site www.python.org, and then from there you will be getting the Python interpreter, Python IDLE and PIP package installer. Then there are many other Python distributors available this day. Anaconda Python distribution is one such highly recommended distribution that comes preloaded with many packages and libraries. Means if you are installing a Anaconda Python distributions, in that we are having preloaded many packages and libraries such as the NumPy and SkyPy, Panda libraries. These are the different packages and libraries in the Python. And many popular IDEs are also available. Example, Spider IDE, PyCharm IDE, etc. Of these, Spider IDE is already available as a part of Anaconda distribution. So if you are installing the Anaconda Python distribution, you will be getting this IDE, Spider IDE by default. So here the IDE means Python GUI. Python IDLE means Python GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. The editor you will be getting there. You have to write the program code. Okay. To install any of this distribution, please refer this appendix 8 is given here. Then once you have Python installed in your computer, you are ready to work on it. You can work in Python in following different ways. First one is interactive mode and second one is script mode. So children, this interactive mode and script mode we discuss in the next class. Thank you.